look.
Dad, take down phone and film him.
I'm gonna go film him. See you in a minute. Oink. Hi. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. Oink. We tried to find this phone. Where's my oink? Oink. 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 Where's the oink? Oink. 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 Oink, oink. Man, go on. Oink, oink, oink. 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 I found you! Oink, oink. I found you! Oink, oink. Wait, come here quickly. You're a good piggy. I love you. Oink, piggy. Don't run away from me! Oink, piggy. Oink. Don't run away from me! Piggy! Don't run away! Oink, oink. Oink. Oink, oink. We saw each other. Oink, Dad. Oink, bro. Oink, Sam. Oink, Vin. Oink.
We are cutting Ted's birthday. Uncle Sam treated him to a pig head. Yeah, look at him trying to act all cool and that, with a pig's head on. Why don't you just oink anyway?
Oink, 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 oink,
oink, oink, oink. Look at him, look. He's got Uncle Sam's hat on, he's got Uncle Sam's bag on and all. Ted's number 10, Sam's number 5. I think it's lost a little bit of the va-va-voom, because you used to have the petrol going, vroom, and the engine's roaring. Now you can hear the squeak, but you can't hear the engines and that. There's Ted in the pink. He loves a bit of car. Anything fast, that kid loves.
There's a hint. Every time you see a pig, say, oink, oink.
Oink, oink.
Like jet skiing as well.
Jet skiing, he loves driving the motors about. He loves driving the skis about. Little birthday treat for him. He's had a wicked weekend, actually. He went jet skiing Sunday. Birthday's now Tuesday, and now he's karting. God, that kid's blessed, man. Jesus. I was lucky to have a McDonald's birthday party. Yeah, buddy. Hey, what are you saying about that? Hey, where's he gone? What are you saying about that, bro? Hey, what's that, Uncle Sam? The ball machine? What's happened, mate? Did you get knocked out? From a fart? What, you farted? Oh, you tramp. Oh, you farted, bro. Oh, you farted. Oh, Ted's beating Sam at the moment. Oh. You got to speed up a bit, mate.
No, 32.4 again. Oh yeah, 32.
What you got there? What's that say? 32 point something?
32.0.
He reckons the fastest on now on them electrics is 29 cent. Yeah, boysy. Yeah, boysy. Every time he come round, what was you calling him? The ball tank? Ball machine. Oink, oink. Ball machine. Oink, oink. Ball machine. Oink, oink.
You get this one. I want to get one. I want to get the red one. Sam! He's my front one. Right. I'm sorry about this camera, it's a bit blurry. Woo! That is the man. Where is the man that's helping them? Let's see what colour shoes he's wearing. Black. As always, I'm guessing loads of people wear black shoes. I'm guessing loads of people wear black shoes if they're, for example, sorry, I guess loads of people are actually wearing black shoes. Because why wouldn't they? It looks quite cool, to be honest. My brother's wearing white Air Forces. Isn't Ted wearing white Air Forces? Yeah. Oh. Let's go look at the score. Let's go look at the score. I want to know what the score is right now. Do you? Let's see what the score is. Oh, Ted's not on there yet. No, like he's not on the score.
How is he not?
Sam's first, Ted's first. Dad, Ted's first on there.
Is he? He was first and he started off first as well. Can you have him?
Yes.
You had enough of the fun?
Even though it's been 8 minutes, but...